If you need to analyze a large amount of data, Pareto chart is the best way of doing it. Now let's see how do we create that. So in the Excel sheet, I have a raw data here, a defect type and the count of defect. Let's select this data, go to insert, recommended chart, all chart, histogram, and here you have Pareto chart option. Click this and say OK, and your Pareto chart is ready. Go to plus and say data levels. Your Pareto chart is ready. The only limitation here is you see a bar chart has a level and the number, but the line does not have it. If you need that, you have to create it differently. So let me remove this one. I have two more column here. Let me unhide them. One is the cumulative defect count, which is a previous count plus new category count. That's how you create a cumulative number. And then you have a percentage. So number divided by total defect. So this Excel sheet and the PowerPoint is in the shared drive, link in the description section. You can download from there. Once your data is there, just select all the data, go to insert, recommended chart, all chart and combo. Cumulative defect count I need as a line. So you say OK. Then right click, select data, remove this, uncheck this cumulative defect count and OK. Increase the size, go to plus, say data levels. Now you see data levels are there. Just say above, so it comes clearly here. Now you can change the font, increase the size, and this is the 80% where all the columns lies. Just increase the size, and that's how you can create a Pareto chart in a minute or so.